Hello everyone, myself Harishri. I am from 6th class. Welcome to our school. Today we done lab activity. Here we came to our lab activity and we settled our respective places. Here we started our lab activity with the sirs and ma'ams explanations. Explore the first experiment. Our first experiment is magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials, we stored magnetic and non-magnetic categories. Explore our second experiment. Our second experiment is importance of magnet poles. We understood the significance of magnetic poles. Explore our third experiment. Our third experiment is direction properties of magnet. We discovered how magnet indicate directions. Now we will explore our fourth experiment. Our fourth experiment is magnetic poles interactions. We learned about the interactions between different magnetic poles. Explore our fifth experiment. Our fifth experiment is properties of materials. We explore the properties of magnetic and non-magnetic materials. An amazing time in the lab today. Through fun experiments, we learn about magnets, magnetic materials, and their properties. Our teachers for guiding us through the activity. Our lab assistants for helping us with the experiments. Our Ssrhs High School, NBT Nagar, providing us with great learning environment. Thanks for watching. This is Harishri from Classic.